Hey everyone, my name is Brian Alvine, and welcome to today's video on how to enable smart tags in AEM Assets. So first we're going to go ahead and navigate to our Assets repository, find the files, and I'm just going to go into this Demo Assets folder and create a new folder. We'll call this Smart Tags, example, and then we'll click on Create. And before we can upload any images or even videos, we're not going to do videos today, we're just going to do images. To be uploaded to this folder and have smart tags be applied automatically for us, we need to select the folder, go into properties, and then we need to click on enable smart tags. Save and close. And now we're ready to upload files to this. And the neat thing about smart tags, in case you're not aware, is that it can be used on images in bulk. So we can upload an entire folder of new images to our repository to have smart tags be applied automatically for us. So let's go into the folder. Let's go and click on create and click on files, and I'm going to select all these buildings to be uploaded and have smart text be applied to automatically for us. Click on upload. All right, all these images have been uploaded now, and they are currently processing, as you can see, on each one. And it might take a minute or two for Sensei to take a look at all these images, determine what's in it, and apply any relevant metadata tags. So I'll be back once they're done processing. All right, so I'm back, and we can see that each image has been processed, and that's indicated by that new tag at the top right of each image. And in order to look at the tags that have been applied for us automatically, I'm going to select on the image, go into Manage Tags, and we can see under the Smart Tags section, all these tags that have been applied for us automatically. And we can see, since they did a pretty good job at identifying that this was the Capitol building in Washington, D.C., it relates to politics. There's some architecture in there, so you can see it, since they did this best job to identify as many things as possible in this image. Sometimes it doesn't do the best job of applying tags, or maybe incorrectly applies a wrong tag to this image. So in order to remove any maybe false metadata tags, we can simply just click on this remove button, or the X next to the tag we want to remove, and we can remove it. And if we wanted to add any tags to this image, I can simply just type in a tag here, maybe tag, and we can apply as many as we want. And we can click on save, and our changes will be saved. And click on this arrow at the bottom below the image. I can go and cycle through all the images in this folder and easily look at what's been applied and just really double check that Sensei did a good job. So that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And with that being said, have a nice day.